Hello everyone, welcome again back in our next session of mathematics children. So you are aware now we are in chapter number 9, that is algebraic expressions and identities. So in the last session children, we have already completed exercise 9.4 question number 1. Okay, we are in the topic multiplication of a binomial to binomial, right? Binomial with a binomial. So question number 2 is again related to the same concept children. Here if you see, find the product is the question, and there are 4 sums in this question, and if you see, all are multiplication of binomial with a binomial only. So we have already learned this. Still today once again we will see all these 4 sums. Okay, the concept will be more clear to you. So let us begin. And I hope you all are writing these all solutions in your classwork children. Very important chapter. I hope you all are completing your classwork. So let us begin. The first one, find the product of 5 minus 2x and 3 plus x. So now everyone, you people are aware that we multiply each and every term in every expression with the each and every other terms in the other expression. That is, first we take the first term of the first expression and we multiply the whole second expression, and then we again take the second term from the first expression and we multiply it with the whole second expression. So let us begin. So let us take the first term, that is 5 multiplied by, that is bracket 3 plus x, bracket close. Now if you see here, it is negative 2x children. So whenever there is negative sign in the bracket or outside the bracket, so be careful. Okay, so let us write here negative 2x multiplied by second expression, that is 3 plus x. I hope this is clear. So we are taking each and every term from the first expression and multiplying it with the second expression. Now let us multiply. Now this is, you can see, it is multiplying a monomial with a binomial. So let us multiply 5 into 3, that is 15, plus 5 into x is 5x, negative 2x multiplied by 3, that is 3 2s are 6, but negative 6, and x as it is. Negative 2x multiplied by x will be negative 2x square. X into x will be x square. Now if you see children, 5x, negative 6x, they are like terms. X and x variables are same, their powers are also same. So these like terms we can add or subtract. So 5x minus 6x will be negative x. So it will be 15 minus x minus 2x square. If we rearrange the terms, that is the higher order onwards, if we write, it will be negative 2x square, negative x plus 15. So let us see once again the solution. Yeah, so it is 5 multiplied by 3 plus x minus 2x into 3 plus x. We are multiplying each and every term. So here if you see children, we are multiplying 5 multiplied by the second expression, that is 3 plus x, and negative 2x multiplied by 3 plus x. So here 5 3s are, you can see it is 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 multiplied by x is 5x. Negative 2x multiplied by 3 will be negative 6x, and negative 2x multiplied by x will be negative 2x square. Now if you see, 5x and negative 6x, they are like terms. So it will be negative plus 5 minus 6, x will be negative x. Now plus 15 as it is, negative 2x square as it is. So this is the final solution. You can rearrange. If you don't want, you can keep as it is. That is 15 minus x minus 2x square. I hope this was clear. Next one, children. Again the same binomial multiplying with the binomial. So let us begin. X multiplied by the second expression, that is x multiplied by 7x minus y. Now whenever there is a negative sign, be very careful, children. Plus 7y multiplied by 7x minus y. So now let us multiply. X into 7x will be 7x square. X multiplied by negative y will be negative xy. Now here be careful regarding the sign, children. Next, plus 7 into 7, 49. Y and x, that is yx, positive, so it is positive only. Now 7y into negative y will be negative 7y square. Now if you see, children, here is negative xy and plus 49yx. Yx and xy, they are same, that is they are like terms. So negative 1xy plus 49 will be plus 48xy. So it will be 7x square as it is, plus 48yx or xy you can write, minus 7y square. Once again, let us see the solution. X multiplied by 7x will be 7x square. X multiplied by y will be negative y will be negative xy. 7y multiplied by 7x will be 49yx. 7y multiplied by negative y will be negative 7y square. So here these are like terms. So negative 1 plus 49 will be 48. So 7x square plus 48xy and negative minus 7y square as it is. So this will be the final solution. I hope this is clear. And I hope you all are writing this in your classwork. Next one, that is a third sum. Very easy, children, again with the same procedure. Here if you see, a square is multiplied with a plus b square and plus b multiplied by a square plus b square. So now a square multiplied by a will be a cube. A square multiplied by b square will be a square b square, plus b multiplied by a will be ba, and b multiplied by b square will be b cube. Now if you see, there is no like terms, children. A cube plus a square b square plus ba plus b cube will be the final answer. If there are like terms, you can solve further, you can add or subtract. But if there are no like terms, that will be the final solution. Next one, let us proceed with the fourth one. Sorry. Yeah. So it is p square minus q square multiplied by 2p plus q. So let us start. First we will multiply the first term of the first expression, that is pq multiplied by the second expression, and then negative q square multiplied by the second expression. So let us begin. P square multiplied by 2p plus q minus q square, negative sign again, so be very careful while multiplying, multiplied by 2p plus q. Now let us start. P square multiplied by 2p will be 2p cube. That is, here is 1 if there is no coefficient. So 2 ones are 2. First multiply coefficient to coefficient, and then p square multiplied by p will be p cube, plus p square multiplied by q will be p square cube. Negative q square multiplied by 2p will be negative 2q square p. Negative q square multiplied by q will be equal to negative q cube. So now you have to see whether there are any like terms. So here if you see, it is p cube, 2p cube plus p square q minus 2q square p minus q cube. So there are no like terms, children. Here you can see it is p square q, here q square p. So this is also not a like term. So this will be the final answer. So once again, let us see this. P square multiplied by 2p will be 2p cube. P square multiplied by q will be p square cube. Negative q square multiplied by 2p will be negative 2p q square, and negative q square multiplied by q will be negative q cube. So now if you see, there is no like terms over here. Now this step, if you write it separately, it will be easy for you. That is, stepwise if you write, children, there will be no confusion, and you will not miss out any of the term. So you have to be very careful, and when negative sign is there, be more careful. So positive, negative, always the answer will be negative, and negative negative it is, then it will be positive in multiplication. So these small things you have to be very careful, children. Otherwise, I hope the concept is very clear now. That is multiplication of a binomial with a binomial. So today we will stop over here. That is exercise 9.4, question number 2 is done. In the next session, children, we will continue with the same exercise, question number 3, that is the last question. And then later on we will learn identities, what is identities and how to apply it. Okay, so that's it. Keep practicing, keep studying, children. Thank you.